Hi guys, in this course I'm going to teach you how to make $100 per day with your email list. So if I'm telling you this, is because I've done it. Actually, I've done it several times. I've been building and monetizing email lists since 2010. For example, I had a blog about learning English in the French market. I was making $3,000 per month in passive income. I sold it last year for $12,000 and so here is what this blog looks like. So it's a WordPress blog. It's actually a little bit abandoned by the new owner, but even though the design wasn't looking great, and what I can tell you is that the offer is more important than your marketing, and your marketing is more important than the design. So don't worry about that. It was working. It's a little bit broken, but still it wasn't looking great, but still was bringing.
Hey, visit the link in the description to access the full course for free limited time only. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe.